Hello! Meet again on the Pilu's Zone channel, a channel that provides interesting and easy to understand learning videos. Have you ever wondered why animals are alive, but toys are not? Today we're going to discover something very interesting. We're going to learn about living things. Are you ready? Let's get started. Living things are anything that can grow, develop, and adapt. Living creatures are everywhere. Dogs are living creatures. Cats are also living creatures. Birds are living creatures. Trees and flowers are also living things. Even fish are living creatures. So, what makes them all the same? Let's find out. 1. Living things grow. The first clue is, living things grow. A small seed can grow into a tall tree. The baby elephant grows into a big elephant. Humans also grow. Do you feel taller than you did last year? Most likely, yes. 2. Living things need water. All living things need water. Plants absorb water through their roots. Animals and humans drink water to stay healthy. Without water, living things cannot survive. Water is one of the most essential things for life. 3. Living things need food. Living things also need food. Food provides energy so living things can grow, move, and stay healthy. Animals eat plants or other animals. But plants are different. Plants can make their own food using sunlight, water, and air. Amazing, isn't it? 4. Living things need air. Living things also need air. Humans breathe using air. Dogs breathe. Birds breathe too. Even plants need air to live. Air helps all living things stay alive. 5. Living things reproduce. Living things can produce new living things. Birds lay eggs. Cat gives birth to kittens. Cows have calves. Plants produce seeds that can grow into new plants. This process is called reproduction. This is how life continues. Now it's time to play. Is this a living creature or an inanimate object? A dog. Yes, living creatures. A stone. No, it's an inanimate object. A tree. Living things. Car. Inanimate objects. A fish. Living things. Soccer ball. Inanimate objects. Great! You guys answered really well. Let's remember what we have learned. Living things grow, need food, needs water, membutican udara, and can produce new living things. If something has all these characteristics, then it is a living thing. Now it's your turn to be a scientist. Look around the house or yard. Can you find 3 living creatures and 3 inanimate objects? Share the results of your observations with your parents, siblings, or friends. Thank you for learning together today. Keep asking, keep exploring, and remember, science is everywhere. See you in the next lesson. Bye. Hand waving.